Hello, everyone, and welcome into this fantabulous Thursday. Today, continuing our look at minerals. Yesterday, you worked through the interactivity, looking at some of the specific properties of minerals. Today, we're going to kind of do a little bit more work with minerals and mineral identification. So, as you see, we are here on Power School. I am fascinated by what we are doing today. Right here, Kessler properties of minerals. Just click on that link. Not too much learning actually, like teaching learning going on today. It's more of a practice day. And here we go. Hopefully when it loads. So you are going to watch it just like we always do and then record your answers there. Remember your text box is right here. You can pick whatever color of font you would like as long as it's not yellow. Okay. You can read it. And again, you've got your markup tools there. You can read, answer your questions. Here's part 2, answering those questions. And then there is 3 multiple choice questions that make sure you understood what you read. You're going to illustrate it. So you're going to draw a picture that represents the 5 tests that we can do on minerals, from color, streak, hardness, luster, and the cleavage and fracture, the breaking portion. So you are going to illustrate it. You might just want to divide that box up. 5 pictures should go there. And then you have the assess it. Here it's just putting in the right letter, and then here you have some missing words to fill in the blank, but they do have a word bank right here for you. Okay, when you're done, make sure you hand this in, and should be a fairly, hopefully, easy day. If you are falling a little bit behind, it would be a great time to get caught up. If you are caught up, it would be a great time to do some of that extra enrichment, like Tinkercad. And if you need help getting onto that, let me know.